Happy Sunday, YouTube. I'm gonna be making 2 videos today. Seemed like you guys liked the Nikola video, so I'm gonna follow up on that video with just some pointers and where I see projections going for the EV market, the electric vehicle market, aka. So we've been seeing NIO go up a lot, but here are my thoughts on NIO going up. A lot of the investors, you got a lot of smart people that wanna hedge against top companies. So we do know right now Tesla is obviously number 1 in the EV market, and they're killing it right now at about anywhere around 400 to 500 billion dollars, correct? So they're in China, they're all over the US. They're gonna be hitting up Europe soon. But a lot of investors, what they like to do, and this is where you can make a lot of money on your money, is when a big company is that big, they want to have a hedge. You know what I mean? And the smart thing behind it is because, say if that company makes one mistake like Nikola did, everyone drops out, the company kind of tanks, and then they find another EV maker. So in perspective, like right around 2 months ago, Nikola was hyped up. It was about $60 a share, and now it's sitting anywhere around $22 to $23 a share because there's just too much going on there. A lot of lies, a lot of deception, and people don't feel comfortable with their money in there. So a lot of those investors took their money out, and where'd they put it? A lot of people are wondering. They're putting it in NIO. That's what they're doing. And then if you put 2 and 2 together and you start to look at NIO stock, where do you think all them investors came from? You got companies like ARK Invest, a well-ran hedge fund by a female. She's more an innovative, disruptive hedge fund with her team of females. And, they have a lot of money in Tesla, but they're smart and they want to always hedge, just in case Tesla, we see Tesla going up, but, it's not going up where we want it to go. A lot of us thought that due to great earnings again, this is the 5th quarter that they've profited. We're expecting S&P 500 introductions. We're expecting for it to go up to the share price that a lot of people are predicting to about $505 a share. But it just isn't happening, and that's okay, because when you want to invest long term, and you're not going into the stock market to get rich. You're going to the stock market to build wealth. And that's the difference. And I'll make a video about that next. So my thing is, this is when you're in an industry like innovation, there's hedges. Smart people hedge. If you're going to put your money in Tesla, try to find its biggest competitor. And, Nikola, right now, it's sitting about $21, $22 a share. In my video, I said it. Watch this happen. Trevor Milton is, you put your money behind great leaders, and Trevor Milton has too much of a track record that you would want to put your money behind this dude. And people are saying, why am I talking about Trevor Milton? We all forget that most of his shares are locked into Nikola. And right now, his shares are plummeting. What do you think he's going to want to do? Nikola was at $60, $70 at its all-time high this year. And now it's at $22 a share. What do you think he's going to want to do? He's going to want to take his money out and put it into a new investment, because he's already lost. He's probably gained. He's become a billionaire off of Nikola and lying and deceiving people. But he still lost a lot of money. He still lost 3x at least. So understand that right now his shares are locked up. A lot of his colleagues' shares are locked up. And they're going to go in and do something else, So understand that. So Nikola is going to go even lower. And then where do you think these people are going to put their money? That is why NIO is going to go up to $50 a share into 2021. And then, a lot more people would have been putting their money into Tesla, but they're seeing a lot more things going on with NIO, and they're loving it. They're loving the fact that, there's more trucks and SUVs there, EV makers. There's more they have little cool gadgets in the car. It's nice and slick, just like Tesla. not as fast as Tesla. But the crazy thing with NIO right now, they're only in China. That is the crazy thing. They're sitting at about $27 a share. Can you imagine when they finally say, hey, we're in Germany? Or I don't know, like, you know, China's war with us has been kind of screwing over Tesla with their share prices, but because a lot of their Chinese ambassadors are sticking behind NIO because they don't know what's going to happen in the future. So that is screwing what Tesla's got going on in China. But, you know, it's still a great car, so people are still buying it. So it's going to be interesting. But that's what's going on. People are hedging. And that's something as an investor you have to hedge. Like me, I have some money in Apple, but then again, I have some money in Microsoft, the 2 tech stocks, you know. Got some money in, I had some money in Bank of America, but I also had money in Wells Fargo, you know. Clearly I'm not all into Wells Fargo, so I took all my money out. And also their dividend went down from about 8% to pretty much nothing, you know. So I had to take my money out because there's no return on my investment. But that's what you have to do. And that's why NIO is killing it right now. And I promise you, NIO will be at $50 in 2021. As long as they continue to do what they got to do. But hope you guys like this video. You know, I hope the content is good for you guys. And it's giving you guys time to think just about what you're investing in. But right now, for me, Nikola is a super sell. NIO is a super buy. Tesla, wait for it to come down a little bit more. Right now it's around 420. Wait for it to hit a little bit under 400, and that's definitely a buy. But then again, with Tesla, it's one of those things where you can miss out on 420 today. Tomorrow could be at 550, you know. But here are my projections for 2021. Tesla will hit $650 a share, 2021. NIO will hit 50 for sure. If it goes up, great for you guys. And Nikola's going to be bankrupt. It's going to be a $12, $15 stock. So have a good rest of your day, guys, and hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe as I throw out more content out there. I'm definitely going to be throwing out some fire content. You know, definitely learn this YouTube thing, and I hope you guys like it, support, subscribe, comment, and we could just collect dialogue and just work together to build a community. All right, guys, take care. Happy Sunday.